In this video I'm going to show you how to copy a caption on TikTok. So for example, at the moment if we go to TikTok and I want to copy the caption, you just aren't able to do it. So the way to do it is take a screenshot, then go to your photos. Once you are here, go to the image, long hold and copy everything you see. And then to test it out, let's go here, let's click paste, and as you can see, it was pasted, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.